In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automatic download link in Paperform. Whether you're offering a free guide, an informative PDF, or any other digital resource, setting up an automatic download link can greatly enhance the experience for your audience by allowing them to seamlessly receive your content right after they submit a form. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to upload your file to a location that can be accessed via a URL. You might choose a service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or even host it on your own server. The important thing is that wherever you upload it, you have a direct link to the file itself. This is crucial because this link is what users will click on to download your content. Make sure to double-check that your sharing permissions are set correctly. You want to ensure that anyone with the link has permission to view or download the file. This is a step you don't want to skip, as it can lead to unnecessary confusion or barriers for your audience. Once your file is uploaded and you've confirmed the link is working, it's time to set things up in Paperform. Start by going to the specific form you want to work with. Navigate to the After Submission section, which is where you can control what participants see or experience after they submit their form. Here, you're going to focus on the Success Pages and Redirects option. This is where you'll customize what shows up after someone submits their information. Now, let's edit your success page. This is essentially the message or page your users will see once they've completed and submitted your form. Here's where the magic happens. You'll insert a clickable hyperlink pointing to the URL of your uploaded file. When you're adding this link, think about the text you'll use. It should be clear and inviting. Phrases like, "Click here to download your file," or "Download your resource now," work well. They clearly communicate to the user that their requested file is just a click away. Take a moment to preview how this looks on the success page. This gives you the opportunity to make sure that everything both looks appealing and functions as expected. Check that your link is properly formatted and clickable. It should stand out enough that users won't miss it. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Tap the Save button and ensure everything is locked in. You've just added a valuable feature to your form, making sure that each participant has the smoothest experience possible after submission. And there you have it. You now know how to create an automatic download link in Paperform. It's a simple yet effective way to deliver digital content instantly, enhancing user engagement and satisfaction. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.